is a significant archaeological site. In and around the Temple Mount in Jerusalem, we have artifacts,
Who are we?
Please listen.
Yeah, I'm just
Any human being who is able to read.
Yeah.
We have who the we is any human being who can check this out. Excavations have happened, and today we have archaeological artifacts that correspond to the temple in Jerusalem.
The bombed and they're killing the children.
Please listen.
Answer my question.
I'm answering. If you listen,
I'm listening. You have to listen to me too, so we can have a
I heard your
conversation.
question. He's a little bit confused. He has been around for a while. Now, do you have any historical evidence to justify
You have any historical to support the Jewish scenario?
for the Temple Mount?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, plenty. The Temple Mount is a significant archaeological site. In and around the Temple Mount in Jerusalem, we have artifacts.
Who are we?
Please listen.
Yeah, I'm just
Any human being who is able to read.
Yeah.
We have who the we is any human being who can check this out. Excavations have happened, and today we have archaeological artifacts that correspond to the temple in Jerusalem, such as there is a stone writing which talks about, consistent with the Torah, which talks about how people, non-Jews, can't get into the temple site, the inner courts, for instance. It's one example. And there are other archaeological artifacts which have been obtained from the temple from the site of the temple in Jerusalem, what is called the Temple Mount. So that is firmly Jewish historically. We know Jerusalem is firmly Jewish. We know the Temple Mount is firmly Jewish. We know all of the land of Israel is firmly Jewish through various artifacts. Now, and therefore, my focus right now, is particularly right now on these who I call. I don't mean insulting to you, but who I call as mafia thugs. Who are the Muslims, early Muslims? Please listen. Let me finish my question. Let me please finish my question, and then please respond. These early Muslims, the ones who are recorded in the Quran and subsequently in the first couple of centuries, clearly were criminals because they went to a Jewish site, a Jewish city. Excuse me, sir. Jewish. We're talking about something that requires brain. Please, if you stay quiet and listen. They went to a Jewish city. Went to the most holiest of sites for a Jew, namely the Temple Mount, and scandal on top of scandal, they built Masjid al-Aqsa. This is the worst form of oppression, occupation. End to occupation. We need to remove al-Aqsa. Now the question to you is simple. And therefore, because this is so significant of a controversy, of a political conflict, I'd like to know, as a Muslim from Egypt, with Arabic as your mother tongue, if you know of any historical, attestation to Al-Isra, the actual trip. Do you have any historical attestation?
I just want to take a step back.
Please.
Yeah, okay. I just want to take a step back to be able to judge your stance.
Yeah.
So,
sure. So
Palestine?
Yeah, I love Palestine.
What about Iran?
Please listen. Please.
You like Iran to be free as well, innit?
Definitely, yeah. I want
Please have a conversation. Now, you said take a step back.
Yes.
For your information, I am the one who has taken a step back. You're talking about the 1900s, today, 2026.
Yes, definitely. Now,
I have taken a long step back. I've gone all the way to the 7th century. So I am the one who has taken a step back. What you're doing right now, instead of taking a step back, you've come all the way forward.
Answer my question. Are you supporting what's happening now?
I support. I am against all.
Brother, the question.
Please, I'm answering.
Are you supporting?
I'm answering.
Yeah, answer. Go ahead. Yes or no?
Ask him about
Please
Kufu's
listen.
period.
I'm going to answer. Please, please listen. Don't be impatient. Please listen. I am against occupation.
Yeah.
I am against oppression.
Yeah.
And therefore, I am against any Islamic presence in Jerusalem, in Israel, across Israel. That's occupation. Anything Islamic across Israel is proper, nasty, criminal occupation.
They should be killed and bombed and they're killing the children.
Please listen.
Answer my question.
I'm answering. If you listen,
I'm listening. You have to listen to me too, so we can have a conversation.
I heard your question.
Yeah.
I'm in the process of answering.
Yeah.
And therefore, I'm assuming when we understand, both of us understand history, both of us together, what's your name?
Omar.
Omar. Omar from Egypt, Arul from India, together we'll both say end to occupation. Get rid of Masjid al-Aqsa, get rid of Dome of the Rock, get rid of all Islamic presence across Israel,
to be able to clear
end
things up-
to oppression.
So to clear things up, what you're saying that who's occupying who here? Like the Palestinians are occupying the Israeli land, or the opposite?
Muslims are occupying,
Muslims are occupying.
of course, Temple
So
Mount.
Muslims, the people who are the young kids that are being killed now and bombed, they are the ones who are occupying Israel.
That's where I'm going to history. So I completely understand. Does that come as a surprise to you?
A surprise? Yeah, it's not a surprise. It's a genocide.
Please listen.
Yeah.
When I say it is the Muslims who are occupying Jerusalem, Israel, does that come to you as a surprise?
What's
Yeah.
happening now?
No. When I say my
Yeah.
statement,
Yes, definitely. It comes to me as a surprise.
and that is where
Yeah, it's not a surprise for me. What you're saying now is
it's
complete
surprise.
nonsense. Yeah.
Complete nonsense.
Yes.
And that is exactly why
Yeah.
I've taken many steps back because I
Where
please
have
listen.
you come from?
Because you're
Where have you
surprised,
come from?
I've taken
No,
many
listen,
steps
listen,
back,
listen.
and
You
I've gone
come with your
all the
little
way to the
dirty
7th
mouth
century
from
for your benefit,
I
for
know,
my
but
benefit.
what
So
you're
let me
saying now-
ask.
Where's
Okay,
he
so
from?
what are you saying now is just
Why'd you
out
come
of the
down
fact
here to
that
make
you
trouble
support.
and tell
But
lies?
what says that you're right and what says that what
History.
Who can judge who's right?
History.
History. Who writes history?
Nobody was
Who
saying
writes
that
history?
Prophet Muhammad was a
Before
pedophile.
we
You
get into an
understand? Until
argumentation,
he
can
come
we
down here
talk
with
about
his
the facts
dirty
first?
Yes, the facts. Who says that these are the facts?
Yeah.
You want to believe your facts? I can believe my facts too.
We'll see. We'll see. Omar, please listen.
I'm listening, brother. I'm not talking now.
Please
Go
listen.
Do you remember 1993 in
I
England?
I have
Do you remember
provided
1993 in England?
archaeological attestation
What are the archaeological?
for the Temple Mount being Jewish.
What is this? Brother,
So clearly you don't know history. I'll show you. So one second.
brother, your history is what you're gonna say and what you're gonna believe in.
No, no,
I
no,
have my
no, no. My
That's why
history
there-
is no. Please listen.
Who writes history, bro?
Please.
History set.
Are you
Who writes history?
Omar, where are you? Do you live in the UK?
I'm currently living in the UK. Yeah.
Do you study something right now?
No, I don't study. I work.
You work. What do you work as?
Logistics company.
Say again?
Logistics company.
You do logistics.
Yeah.
So please, as someone who deals with logistics, when you send a parcel from A to B, you know there is objective truth behind it. Yeah.
Yeah.
If someone sent, it is sent. If someone did not send, it is not sent.
Okay.
You won't stand there. Wait a second. When a customer calls someone in your company and asks, "Hey, my parcel hasn't
That's
arrived,"
what the hadith says.
and my parcel hasn't arrived. Please give me some information. You won't argue with your customer. Who tells who the parcel, where the parcel is? Will you argue like that? You won't. You'll get to the bottom of the facts. Yeah. I am talking about the facts.
Because what you're saying now is not facts. What you're saying now is complete. For me,
You know what? I'm gonna come back next week.
Please listen to
If
me.
you're-
Don't touch me.
gonna
Don't
come
come near me. Don't touch me. Thank you very
coming back next
much.
week.
Please
I
come
wanna
here.
talk to him next
Please come here.
I like your talk.
Can you see? Second temple.
Brother, I can write whatever you
Wow. Please, first of all,
Yeah.
let's begin discussing and then you can
Yes, but
discredit.
what you're saying is complete nonsense for me.
Please. What did I say?
What you're saying now is
What
that
evidence
based
was
on
I
the
going
facts,
to-
yeah,
One second,
based
what-
on the facts, I'm listening,
Well,
brother.
what
but you're
evidence
saying
was I
is-
going to show?
Yeah, the evidence that you're going to show is something that whatever it is that states that there's
One second.
archaeological
Omar,
facts
once.
that were-
Whoa. Do you know what evidence I was going to show?
I have no
When
idea.
you don't
but for me,
know-
I really
Listen,
don't give a fuck.
please listen. When you don't know, is it intelligence to argue against it when you don't
It's
even know?
intelligence, because for me, if it's someone that's not supporting or is supporting
Is
what's
it
happening,
to you, your close friends? Let me ask you: is it intelligent to reject something which you don't even know? Is it intelligent?
yes, because if you
No,
say,
I'm asking. Please,
I
please.
say on this behalf.
I didn't see the question.
So if I told you, hey, look, there is a man behind you, would you straight away say no when you don't know?
No, I have to see.
Yes, of course he has to see. What he doesn't know, if he says, and if you stood here, and if I told you there is a man who is maybe 2 meters behind you, what would you say? If I mention that to you, would you say I'm lying? Would you say that that's not true?
Can I
Or
answer
would you
one?
rather say, I don't know, I'd like to check out? What would you do?
And can I
You
answer?
see the second one.
Yes,
Teach
okay.
that to your Omar.
Okay, can I answer?
No,
okay, if
no,
someone,
no.
Who
Please
says-
listen.
Who said?
Please,
I
excuse
want to
me.
answer. You just said something.
Please
I have to
listen.
answer. That's
Please
not a
listen.
conversation.
Please listen.
You're talking from your side. You're not listening to me.
Please listen.
Listen to me.
I listened.
Just listen,
I'll
yeah.
repeat to you what you said. You said you are
Brother,
allowed to.
you're supporting a fucking genocide and you want us to even
me?
sympathize.
Oh,
Yeah,
I don't support
You're
the
supporting.
genocide.
You're
I
supporting
don't
what's
support.
happening for
What?
Jews.
Please listen to me. Listen, please. So my.
He said
All-
it was not like a
so here-
prohibition, but he's saying that these kids that they are rightfully now bombed.
So here is where.
No,
please.
of course he didn't say this.
He didn't say. You see.
Jews.
So please listen. Yo, no, Omar. No, don't speak in Arabic. Don't ask him to lie in Arabic. Please don't. Please, all of
Ask him to lie, brother.
Why did you go to Arabic straight away? Please stay, listen. 3 people are needed. He is clearly a bit unstable, so please help him.
brother?
Thank you. You see, on top of being unstable, he's now swearing. I'm going to ask.
Why
His,
do you care what's happening in Israel, brother?
I want to know.
why do
Are
you
you
care?
even Jew?
Why do you care?
Are you even Jew? 'Cause
Why
I'm
do you
Muslim.
care?
I'm Muslim. I can see the people from my religion being killed and bombed. You have no relation to what's happening in Palestine even.
Where are you from?
Listen.
You're from
Who are you
India.
supporting?
Just care about India, brother. Yeah, don't look at me like that. Yeah, brother, you're from India.
Hey,
Just
whoa,
care-
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Care about India.
Whoa.
I'm from
Where are
Egypt.
you
I care
from?
about Egypt. I
Yeah,
don't care about
Egypt.
what's happening in Cambodia.
Bro, where are you from?
Don't care about Israel. Care about Egypt.
Egypt
Where
is
are you
related to
from?
Israel.
You're
If
from
you don't know
India?
So
history,
Egypt is related to Israel.
yes, Egypt is related to
And
Palestine.
Christianity
Yes,
isn't
we
related
share-
to Israel.
Christianity
This is his level of intelligence.
Yeah,
Who are
brother,
you
you
Do you know who
don't know shit,
do you know who Jesus
The
is?
Jews in Israel, they don't
you know who
even
Jesus is?
exist.
If you know who Jesus is, you